Hello friends, we have to start new topic, surface tension. Now surface tension. Surface tension means a liquid at a rest shows a very interesting property called as surface tension. Tension created on the surface of a liquid, that is the surface tension. Now insects are able to walk on water surface due to surface tension. Raindrops are spherical due to surface tension. Then there is the intermolecular force. Matter is made up of a molecule. Matter is made up of molecules. Any two molecules attract each other. This force between molecules is called as intermolecular force. Now here any two molecules, suppose molecule A, molecule B. These two molecules can attract with each other, and this force between two molecules, force of attraction between these two molecules called as intermolecular force. There are two types of intermolecular forces. First one is cohesive force, second is adhesive force. First one is cohesive force. Here in cohesive force, force of attraction between molecules of same substance. And in adhesive force, force of attraction between molecules of different substances called as adhesive force. Now here force of attraction between molecules of same substance called as cohesive force. Means suppose we have to take first glass molecule and second one is water molecule. And force of attraction, if we have to take two same molecules, means suppose first molecule we have to take glass molecule and second one is also the glass molecule. Then these two glass molecules can attract with each other. Means force of attraction between two glass molecules, and that force is the cohesive force. Second one is adhesive force. Force of attraction between molecules of different substance. Suppose we have to take glass molecule and second one is water molecule. These two molecules again attract with each other, but these molecules or substances are different, and the force of attraction between these two molecules called as adhesive force. Then next one is range of molecular force. Now here the range of molecular force means the maximum distance up to which cohesive or adhesive forces between the molecules are effective is called as a range of molecular force. The maximum distance up to which molecules can attract with each other. Suppose these two molecules, molecule A, molecule B. These two molecules can attract with each other, and here the maximum distance, here two molecules attract with each other, then their maximum distance up to which molecules can attract with each other, and that is called as range of molecular force. The intermolecular forces are effective up to 10 meter in solids and liquids. Hence, such forces are called short range forces. Next one is sphere of influence. Now here sphere of influence means an imaginary sphere drawn with molecule as a center and radius equal to range of molecular attraction is called as a sphere of influence. Now here sphere of influence means any imaginary sphere. If we have to imagine a sphere having surrounding a molecule, there are number of molecules. Any imaginary sphere surrounding a molecule's force of attraction is present. There is a force of attraction is present, and that is called as a sphere of influence. Any imaginary sphere surrounding a molecule's force of attraction is present, called as sphere of influence. Figure shows sphere of influence. M is the molecule and R is the range of molecular attraction. The intermolecular force is effective only within the sphere of influence. Next topic is surface film. The liquid layer at the free surface of a liquid having thickness equal to range of molecular force called as surface film. The liquid layer at the free surface of a liquid having thickness equal to range of molecular force, and that is called as surface film. Next one is free surface of a liquid. It is the uppermost surface of a liquid which does not experience any shear force. Free surface of liquid means it is the uppermost surface of a liquid and which does not experiences any shear force. Next topic is surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Now here, if we have to consider the liquid container having three molecules, molecule A, molecule B and molecule C of a liquid with their sphere of influence are shown in figure. The molecule inside the liquid such as A. Molecule A is inside the liquid attracted equally in all directions. Attracted equally in all directions. Hence, the resultant force of attraction is 0. Resultant force of attraction is 0 in molecule A. Molecule A is totally inside the liquid and therefore it's attracted equally in all directions. Therefore, resultant force acting on it is 0. The molecules just below the surface such as B or the molecules on the liquid surface such as C are attracted by. Second one is molecule B. Molecule B is some part of a molecule B is outside the liquid and more part is inside the liquid. And third one is molecule C. In molecule C, half part of a molecule C is inside the liquid and half part is outside the liquid. Means in here molecule A, there is force of attraction is in the same molecules, all water molecules. Therefore, there is which force is present? Which force present? There is same substance, means cohesive force is present in molecule A. Therefore, resultant force is 0. Second molecule B, some part of molecule B is outside the liquid and some part is inside the liquid. Means there is both forces are present. There is both forces are present. Here cohesive force and here is adhesive force. Resultant force is in the downward direction. Third molecule C, half part is outside the liquid and half part is inside the liquid, and therefore there is again both forces are present. Here is the cohesive force, here is adhesive force, and therefore resultant force is in the downward direction. Adhesive force due to air molecules above the liquid surface. Cohesive force due to liquid molecules. Adhesive force is negligible. Hence, in molecule B and C, resultant force is in the downward direction. Thus, all the molecules in the surface film experiences downward force. Hence, these molecules are pulled inside the liquid and therefore the surface film remains under tension. This surface film remains under tension and therefore this tension is known as surface tension. The surface film behaves as a stretched elastic membrane. Thank you.